For families living in Maricopa, Arizona, home security is more than a luxury, it's a necessity. With the region's rapid growth and warm desert climate, homeowners want peace of mind knowing their property and loved ones are safe. While alarm systems and cameras often come to mind first, one of the most effective ways to boost home security is through proper door replacement. The right doors, installed by professionals, can make a significant difference in protecting your home from intruders, weather, and wear over time. The door, your home's first line of defense. Your entry door is more than just a design element, it's the primary barrier between your family and the outside world. Unfortunately, older or poorly installed doors can be one of the weakest points in your home's security. Gaps, deteriorated frames, or worn-out locks create easy entry points for unwanted visitors. By replacing outdated doors with modern, reinforced options, Maricopa homeowners can strengthen their property's defense while also improving energy efficiency and curb appeal. A properly installed, high-quality door acts as a solid shield, difficult to breach, yet stylish and welcoming. Strong material to make a stronger home. Not all doors are created equal. The material you choose plays a major role in determining your home's safety and durability. Here are the top options for secure door replacement in Maricopa. Steel doors. Steel doors are a top choice for homeowners focused on maximum protection. They're incredibly strong, resistant to impact, and difficult to break or force open. Modern steel doors feature energy-efficient insulation cores and reinforced frames that not only enhance security but also help regulate indoor temperatures in Maricopa's hot, dry climate. With proper installation and finishing, they resist warping, cracking, and rust, providing long-term reliability and peace of mind. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass doors are another excellent option for families seeking both durability and style. They mimic the beauty of natural wood but withstand Arizona's extreme heat far better. High-density fiberglass doors are resistant to dents, cracks, and humidity, and when paired with a steel-reinforced frame, they offer outstanding protection. These doors also come with multi-point locking systems and weather-resistant seals, perfect for homes exposed to both summer dust storms and occasional monsoon moisture. Solid wood and composite doors. For homeowners who prefer a classic look, solid wood and composite doors provide timeless appeal and robust construction. Modern composite materials combine wood fibers with synthetic reinforcements, delivering both strength and resistance to environmental wear. When sealed and installed correctly, these doors offer strong protection while complementing the architectural character of Maricopa's homes. Professional installation. The key to lasting security. Even the strongest door can't perform well if it's not installed properly. Gaps in the frame, misaligned locks, or poor sealing can all compromise your home's security. That's why professional door replacement is essential. Expert installers ensure your door fits snugly into its frame, the hardware is securely fastened, and the threshold seals tightly against air and water infiltration. A professionally installed door makes it much harder for intruders to force entry and helps maintain your home's energy efficiency year-round. Advanced locking and security features. Today's replacement doors come with built-in security features that go far beyond a traditional deadbolt. Maricopa families can choose from options such as multi-point locking systems that secure the door at multiple locations along the frame, reinforced strike plates and steel hinges to resist forced entry, smart locks that integrate with home security systems and allow remote access control, impact-resistant glass inserts for beauty without sacrificing protection. These features combine modern convenience with robust defense, giving you confidence that your family is protected whether you're home or away. The added benefits: comfort, value, and peace of mind. While enhanced safety is the main benefit of proper door replacement, homeowners also gain better insulation, noise reduction, and curb appeal. High-quality, weather-sealed doors help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures, reducing energy costs during Maricopa's hot summers. Moreover, a new door boosts your home's resale value and sends a message of care and quality to visitors and potential buyers alike. More importantly, it provides the priceless benefit of peace of mind, knowing your family and home are safe and secure. Protecting what matters most in Maricopa, where homeowners take pride in both beauty and security, door replacement is one of the smartest investments you can make. A properly chosen and installed door offers long-term protection, comfort, and confidence. Whether you're upgrading your entryway for style or reinforcing it for safety, the result is the same: a stronger, safer home for your family.